Hi, I'm Becky Stella from the USA, founder of Aerial Play and Fitness. I'm coming to Lebanon this May to hold a 40-hour aerial fitness certification for the first time in Lebanon, exclusively at SkyFit Kazlik. I'll also be offering 90-minute aerial workshops the week of May 7th during my stay. Hammocks are limited to 10, so to register, contact SkyFit's Instagram or email info@skyfit-lb.com. For more information about the certification or the workshop topics during the week, visit aerialyogaonline.com.